Hi, I'm Christian Carpenter, an instructional developer for Blackboard. Welcome to the tutorial, Enabling Social Media Framework. If your school has the social media framework, you may have some or all of the social media components for a particular app available to you. Check with your site administrator for details. In order to access social media, click Options. Notice that you can edit other options besides the social media components. These tabs are discussed in other tutorials. On the Social Settings tab, you have access to community editing, commenting, rating, and RSS feeds. Community editing allows visitors to edit and contribute to your app. Now, not all elements are available in each app. You will find community editing available in these apps if your district has purchased Social Media Framework. When you select the Community Editing checkbox, a Community Editing Rights tab displays. The Community Editing Rights tab allows you to control which users or groups can edit or contribute to your app. You can add individual users or groups of users. If you enable community editing without assigning rights, no one will be allowed to contribute to your app. Next, in the Social Settings tab, select Commenting, which allows visitors to comment on your app. You will find commenting available in these apps if your district has purchased Social Media Framework. Under Commenting, you have Require Approval and allow visitors to change names and email addresses. We strongly recommend that you require all comments to be approved in order to avoid inappropriate content on your site. You can also choose whether new comments display at the top or bottom of the list. When you select the Commenting checkbox, the Commenting Rights tab displayed. Now, by default, any visitor can comment on your app, so the Commenting Rights tab allows you to control which users or groups can comment. You can add individual users or groups of users. Next, Visitor Rating. You will find rating available in these apps if your district has purchased Social Media Framework. Selecting Visitor Rating will allow visitors to rate the material in your app. Selecting RSS feeds allows visitors to subscribe to really simple syndication RSS feeds for your app. Note that RSS feeds may be enabled by site administrators regardless of whether or not your district has Social Media Framework. And simply click Save. Congratulations! You have completed the Enabling Social Media Framework tutorial. Be sure to check the How Do I tab regularly for new and updated materials. Thanks for watching.